required. I have some information in the manual that shows us how to switch to the capillary tube, how to switch to the TXV, and right now we're using the HEV, which is a hand-operated expansion valve. So this is what I want us to do right now, is just turn it on. Okay, understanding that we have to follow certain procedures and watch the cautions as we turn it on. Is that okay? So we're going to let it run for a little while. Thank you. Okay. Any questions? Now, just like startup, shutdown is important too. Shutdown is important. We have a condenser fan. We have an evaporator fan. What is this?
A reverse valve.
A four-way reversing valve. So when we use the heat pump portion, we will be operating this four-way reversing valve. And what we're going to observe is the actual flow of the refrigerant reverse. Actually reverse. Take a look at the meters. What voltage? Check your amperage. See if you can get wattage. How do you check your amperage?
Push it up to read the amps.
Go ahead, push it up and record the amps.
Flip the thing.
No, come on, why not? There you go.
It's like almost like 7.
Okay. What about the wattage?
Same deal. It's like 300.
Okay. So we actually have meters and gauges on this particular unit. So this is actually simulating like when we're in a machine room or we're in a plant. And so we have gauges that we need to watch. Did anybody take a look at the gauges? What pressure do we have on the low side? What pressure do we have on the high side? In fact, which one is the high side? That's right. Which one is the low side? Okay, what is the pressure on the low side?
Is it 10?
I'm sorry, I didn't hear you.
Is it 10?
You said 10? 10 what?
10 psi.
Each mercury.
Ah, 10 inches of mercury.
Oh. We must observe the gauge. So now the chart that we pulled up, what does that mean? To be 10 inches of mercury with R123.
Working in a vacuum. It's working in vacuum, no?
Well, I want to know the temperature. And then next week, we'll put the thermometers in there. We already have gauges on the unit. We'll put the thermometers on the unit, and we'll measure the temperatures. Can you actually see the liquid vaporizing, where you have more liquid in one tube and you have less liquid in the other tube? Feel the lines. See if you can feel which one is the suction line, which one is the liquid line. Feel the temperature difference of the lines?
Yep. This is the suction line coming back. This shot line.